The wind is ripping. Oh my God! There we go. Good one. Guys, good one. Oh, this fish might be bigger than I think he is. I don't know how big he is. Where he's gonna come. Not a bad one. Oh, no, not. This is a good one. This fish is fat. Oh, that's a good one. First fish of the day? It's actually kind of a good one. Hey, look at him. I don't know, like a 3.5, something like that. 4-pounder, first fish of the day. Look at that, not a bad one. 4-pounder, but what a good fight. Let's get him back. There he goes. Yeah.
I fished down to the swimming hole yesterday afternoon,
Mm-hmm.
and it was non-stop, my wife and I.
Yeah.
Non-stop.
Yep.
Right on the sides.
Yeah.
Hope I didn't mess you up this morning.
Oh, no, no, no. Fuck, that was a good one. There's a good one. There's one. Another good bass. Let's get it back. Oh my gosh. Why'd that fish bite a lot bigger than I thought he was? There's another one. Another good bass. Dude, I broke off. Oh, my popper's still there though. Dude, that was a big fish. Dude, what is my cast? Oh, I got one. Okay. Dude, if that's a bass, that's huge. Oh, it's a bowfin. Oh, thank God though, it came off. Got another one. Oh, good one. Not huge, but built. They're just built in here, but not a bad one. Let's get them back. Oh, it's a good one. To be honest, I was looking. He's not as big as I thought. But he's pretty though. There's one. Look how pretty he is. He's got like that rattlesnake color to him. Pretty good one. Let's get him back. Is that bowfin? Of course it is. There's a bowfin. Dude, if that's a bass, that's huge. Oh my god, it is. Oh my god. Come on. No. Yes! Whew. Let's go. Look at that. That is a nice one. He's so fat, look. So let me tell you what I did. I was just throwing this worm, I cast it over some grass here. I was just burning it on the surface. Then he just ate it. I mean, completely crushed it. Let's get a weight. He's 5'5". 5 pounds, 5 ounces. 5 pounds, 5 ounces. What a fish. Alright guys, 5 pounds, 5 ounces. That boy's thick. Let's get him back. Good release. Alright, so we made it back to the launch, and I think I'm gonna get some lunch. I also forgot my life jacket, so I need to grab that if I come back out. That's if the weather holds up. If I don't come back, this is gonna be the end of the video.